Okay, so this is what I call TuSar-BBKOF, and this is how I set up my chart. Main chart, I have a 20 exponential, 10 exponential, 50, 200, 500, parabolic SAR, 0.01 on the step, 0.1 on the maximum, 0.02 on the step, and then 0.1 on the maximum. Default for the Bollinger Bands, and then I have a 5. That 5 is very important to me. When I am selling back to what we call the non-EMA on KOF, I actually sell back to the 5 and hurry up and hop out. I just got to make sure it's going that way. In my window at the bottom, I have my RSI set to 1, and then I have levels of 93, 70, 55, 10, 54, 95, 53, 5, 94, and 3. I have a moving average of 5 exponential, stochastic oscillator of 533, simple, low high, 2080 is the level. Moving average of 8 exponential, not bad, 13 exponential, 21 exponential, and then a 200. Make sure I got all that right. Yep, and that's all that I have. It works like money for me. You can follow my channel, the Tutu for you boo, and 2Pips on Instagram. When I'll be doing my live trades, I'll be posting my videos there and kind of just walking through how I trade and my thought process. All right, fam.